Alright, today's video is kind of cool because today's video is about how I use my Happy Planner weekly. A Happy Planner is just a planner, but this is the brand called Happy Planner, and let me tell you, this is cute, pretty, really practical, and help organize my life and my business the best. Let's get into it. Think first. Hi guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Justine. I am working into the digital marketing world, and here on YouTube I love to teach you how to edit pictures, how to make and create amazing and unique content, and I love to talk about business tips, organization and productivity. So today it's an organization productivity video because we are going to plan things, schedule things for next week using the Happy Planner. So I'm going to show you my entire collection because I have quite a lot, and then we will decorate and plan next week. At least we're going to start doing it because I never really know what I do really much in advance. Each week is different and in the same time the same. So let's get right into my Happy Planner collection. Miko is asleep just beside me. That's great. So we won't hear him bark the entire video, like, you know, Tuesday. Yeah, okay. I need to drink my coffee at the same time I film this video because we can't lose time. First, and second, I need to get my entire collection out of my desk. Which is quite a lot of things that I need to get out. Alright, so let's do this quick. We got all of those, which is all my Happy Planners from 4 years ago. My Happy Planner of this year. Alright, I got them all. Where's my coffee? Oh. Anyway, those are classic Happy Planner. This is the size of a classic one, and that one was from 2018, I believe. Yes, 2017 to 2018. Lots of memories. I love that. 2018, the best is yet to come. Then we have 2019, and I loved it because it was like a mermaid kind of vibe over here. So each Happy Planner, I make like a vision board, and that one like was a paper vision board. This year I made digital one on Canva. So yeah, 2019. We're going to move on 2020, and this year says new year, new feels. You know, 2020, you know, stuff happened in 2020, like the world was crazy. Did I do vision board on that one? I do not think so, but I made a list in 2020. Here we are in 2021 with Mickey and Minnie, and it says a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles, and I like obsess. Like seriously, I think this is the most beautiful Happy Planner I've ever owned. Like you saw the other ones. It's so pretty. The gold is so cute. The little, I don't even know how you call them. They are glitters. The pages inside, there's some Mickey head. Anyway, each month of the year has a little illustration with Mickey and Minnie dog. Yeah. Okay, so first I need to show you all the stickers that I own. This is pretty excessive, I would say, but in the same time I've seen so many girls with so much more than I have, so I don't feel guilty a bit. In this sticker book I have stickers. I have lots and lots of stickers. You can see that here I'm almost done with it. So many. I have used a lot of them, but I still have so much that I need to use, so I am not going to run out anytime. Dude, I really like those stickers. So this one is healthy because, you know, I'm going to the gym pretty often, so gotta get those gym stickers over here. Then we have a rainbow. I think we're going to use this one to decorate a little bit of the week we're going to do together. And One of my favorite is the home body. So cute and aesthetic, and I love the colors. The next things I need to show you, it's little accessories I bought for my happy planner. So this one is from the Recollection planner. You are using this to cut your paper. On this collection I have the happy planner, like you know, the one that makes holes. Yes, don't know how you call it. This is what I love about Happy Planner, is that you can take off pages out of your planner and put them back in. And so if you want to add a page into your Happy Planner, like this one, make a cute quote, add it to your planner, whatever, you can use this. It's going to make the Happy Planner holes, and you will be able to add it to your happy planner. Cool! And then we have this little machine. So you'll probably be like, what in the world is that thing? And so you can use paper like this once again. And when you put this paper in the machine and you click on it out of the machine, I can take this, okay? That's my wick. That goes like that. That's my wick, okay? And so I can take my little pepper. The last but not the least things I have for my happy planner. I have little note sheets. I also have some pattern cardboard. So I have tons of different colors that I use and put on my planner to decorate it. Lots of different papers and sheets that I need to reuse. I have some more paper. I have some more over there. Some more over here. Oh my gosh, this is really hard to show you guys, but it's just paper and, you know, different colors and things, and I really do love that very much. Hold on, what am I talking about? I was about to say like, oh, this is the end, no, I have nothing more, sorry. I apologize. I do have so much more, but I forget about it. I also have some more in some of my drawers with like little things that I use for it. I don't think this is really important for you to see it, but basically this is more washi tapes and or pencil and all of that. So anyways, I have a box full of washi tapes, guys. Here they are, the collection of washi tapes, and yet still I think I don't have enough. Anyways, now that's it from Happy Planner collection. like this, you know everything that I have on my Happy Planner collection and how I use my Happy Planner weekly. So if you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads, because there is a lot more that is coming in the few weeks. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one. Until next time, take care. Bye.